How to explore trending content on Disney Plus. If you want to find trending content on Disney Plus, you could use For You Hub and the official Explore Disney Plus website, which both highlights popular, new, and recommended titles as well. So what you want to do is the platform organize content to help discover popular and new title. So open your Disney Plus app onto your device and log into your account. As you log into your account, you could just go to For You Hub. This section on the home screen offers the personalized recommendation based on your viewing history and what other user might love to watch. Then you just want to scroll the home screen. That is, as you scroll down the home page, you will see accurate section with category like new to Disney Plus, recommend for you, and top picks, which often features trending shows and movie. While the primary search is for specific titles, characters, or actors, the search page itself also often presents a list of selectable category and collections. Then you want to select the icon at the top of the home screen to browse the content from major brands like Disney, Pixar, Marvel, or Star Wars as well. And that's how you'll be able to explore content or trending content on Disney Plus. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.